Hi, and welcome back to my channel, Math Caffeine. Let's get started on part 2 of the Congruent Triangle series. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. This statement, shortened to the acronym CPCTC, is used in proofs quite often. Corresponding parts are the angles and sides from one shape that align with the congruent angles and sides of another shape to prove them as congruent. For example, if A is congruent to D, if angle B is congruent to angle E, and angle C is congruent to angle F, those are the corresponding parts. If side AB is congruent to side DE, side BC is congruent to side EF, and side AC is congruent to side DF, then we know that these two triangles are congruent. The third angle theorem is also introduced in this section. It is explained more in depth in the theorems video. The third angle theorem states that if two angles of one triangle is congruent to the two corresponding angles of another triangle, then their third angles are congruent. For example, in this image, we can use the third angles theorem to prove that angles B and angle D are congruent. We know that angle BAE is congruent to angle DEA, and angle BEA is congruent to angle DAE. Because the two corresponding angles are congruent, we know that angle B and angle D are congruent using the third angles theorem. Thanks for watching. As always, feel free to email me at mathcaffeine@gmail.com with any comments, questions, or concerns. Happy studying!